Everyone has a life story. Every piece of art and furniture has his own history. A collector of classic pieces of furniture through the years, pieced together, forming a contemporary classic interior that exudes nostalgia and charm. This clover-shaped apartment stands tall, overlooking a calm panoramic view of the picturesque Pierce Reservoir. We will be showing you the masterpiece of renowned filmmaker and life coach Mr. Daniel Yun's apartment, a cozy abode that oozes nostalgic charm filled with personality, executed by Eugene Yip Design. Do give us your support by subscribing to our channel, punch on the notification bell and stay tuned for more compelling episodes. The Clover at Kebun Bahru is the only circular flat built in the 80s. This Clover-shaped flat has 4 corner units on each floor, with an unconventional circular layout. This 5-room, 1,453 square feet circular apartment was completely stripped bare to fit the new vision of Daniel Yun. A complete overhaul was done and spaces reconfigured. This 5-room flat was converted into a spacious pad with a huge living space and a master suite with a lounge area. This apartment is true representation of a furniture collector that Daniel is. Every piece of furniture has a story behind, be it how it was found to how it was treated to finish a achieved desired look from the original. The meticulous effort to find the right accessories to bring all of them together, forming a true character of this Clover. Nostalgic charm greets ones upon arrival. The retro gate, the vintage mosaic tiles, and the terrazzo flooring sets the foundation for this charming flat. As one enters, the ambience of space envelops the apartment, making it the perfect place for gatherings. A collage art of all the movies done by Daniel greets guests upon arrival, making it a talking point. Specially collected pieces of furniture were pieced together painstakingly to ensure harmony to the design scheme. Artwork demarcates the space of white walls. The ceiling fan was sourced and spray painted black to give the old school feel which resembles the one we see in the 90s classroom. A huge round antique marble top dining table paired gracefully with a 1930s Shanghainese pendant lamp. This dining area is also a unity of gatherings where Daniel does most of his meals and meetings. Entering the master bedroom to a huge lounge and study area. A cool custom lounge sofa anchors the space for that Netflix binge. A commissioned collage of Daniel's favorite movies for inspiration adorns the lounge wall. The TV area houses plenty of storage below all windows, with his wardrobe separating the lounge and the master bathroom. The master bathroom was cleverly separated from the lounge area with a row of wardrobe storage. Old school vintage wall and floor tiles was selected to give a clean feel and understated look. The bed area was separated with pocket sliding doors for privacy and opens to give the flow of space throughout the whole bedroom. A cozy, nostalgic home with a life story to tell. Pieces of history adds character and personality to this humble living space as each sunset beckons. We absolutely love this charming apartment from Daniel Yun. We hope you do too. To subscribe to us, click on the notification bell. Stay tuned as we share more fabulous homes and houses. Do email us in the bio link below if you have a fabulous house that you would like us to feature. Thank you for watching. This is Adrian Heng from Design Maven. See you guys very soon in the next episode.